Hannah directed Yumi to do her own work, and finally Hannah herself decided to clean the body of the American, and she opened the button and removed the shirt, and at that time she found that the skin texture of the American man was very good, just like a small child. And she was thinking at that time that he was looking very innocent, and previously Hannah was not happy, but now her anger was going to reduce because the man was unconscious and she was feeling pity. Meanwhile, Sadao came with the box of the instrument, and he said, have you cleaned the body? Hannah told, yes, I myself has cleaned, Yumi has not done this job. Well, both of them were ready, and meanwhile, because of the heavy bleeding, the new quilt was ruined, and Hannah was not feeling good because this was the quilt of the father, and she said, "Oh, my quilt has been ruined." And still, she said, "Yes, Matt was also having blood, and that was also ruined." Well, finally, both of them were discussing about the behavior of Yumi, and Sadao was not interested in hearing because his whole attention was in the American's case, or in the critical condition of the American. So he was saying, okay, you will have to help me like a nurse, you have to give me anesthesia. And Hannah was saying that I have never done this work, but he said, okay, I will direct you. And he started the operation. When he cut, and lot of bleeding was there. Hannah have never seen so much blood previously in her life, so when she saw a lot of blood, she was feeling choked, and she was feeling as if she is going to vomit out. So she ran out of the room and vomited outside in the veranda. And when Dr. Sadao felt this, that Hannah was vomiting, he did not feel good because he loved Hannah very much. So still he was helpless because he wanted to help the wife as she was vomiting, but she cannot leave the patient in her because the operation already has been started. So he was not feeling me. Dr. Sadao was not feeling good, and he became little bit irritated with the patient. Because of this person, my wife is having this problem. And this was the habit of Dr. Sadao, to speak with his patient. So now he is saying there is no reason under heaven why he should live. He means the American. Means you can notice again and again he wants that the American should die, but at the same time he himself is operating just to save him as a doctor. So you can see the dilemma of the person. Dilemma means the confusion when a person becomes sometimes a person becomes very helpless. He is not able to decide what he should do in a particular situation. He should do or he should not do. The same situation is in front of Dr. Sadao. Well, finally he was doing the operation, and meanwhile the American means previously he was fainted, but now he was going to move little bit. But Hannah came inside the room and said, okay, I am ready to give anesthesia, now I am feeling better. Then Sadao said, okay, she has come at the correct time, as the patient was going to move. And finally he directed Hannah that she should dip the small piece of cotton in anesthesia and keep this cotton near the nose of the patient, and then he will be unconscious again. So she did according to the direction, and the at the same time in this paragraph we see that when because she was sitting near the face of the young man, she found that he was looking very thin, and she was feeling lot of pity and mercy for the patient. And she herself had been in America, so she knew many Americans, and she was thinking this person might have been tortured by the Japanese army, because she has heard many times that General Takema was a very cruel person. Even he beat his wife very brutally. So she was thinking, if a person who is in power can beat his wife, then obviously he might be beating or he might be treating the prisoners of war very badly. So in this way she was thinking, and she was worried that perhaps this person is also has been tortured very badly. And suddenly she saw some cuts near the ear, and she pointed out those cuts to Dr. Sadao, but Dr. Sadao was not interested in the cuts because he was searching the bullet inside the body. Still he was not able to search the bullet where it is, but suddenly he found that his knife hit with something near the kidney, and it means the bullet was near the kidney. And he felt very happy because now he has searched the bullet and now he can get it out. And at present time he was just remembering the sentence of one of his professor of anatomy when he was studying, when he was a medical student. His professor used to say that if a doctor must have complete knowledge of the human body. If a doctor is not having complete knowledge of the human body and he is going to operate any person, it is just like a murder, because there are the chances that the person might be dead under the in the hands of the doctor. So overall, the professor's meaning is to say that a doctor must have complete knowledge of the body. And Dr. Sadao is one of the doctors who is very intelligent and he has full complete knowledge of the human body. So he just say ki now it is near the kidney, now I will save you, my friend. In this way he was just talking to the patient, and he made a cut near the kidney and just took out the bullet in a very perfect way.